So the ABC juice is probably one of my favorite juices right now, and I really want to do something with a twist. And I was at Bristol Farms the other day shopping, and I seen golden beets were available. So what I did was make the same ABC juice, but I added gold beets and then I added cucumbers. The cucumbers give it a really refreshing taste. It's already good as is, like I said, but the cucumbers I'm personally a fan of in juicing recipes. Also because it gets you a lot more juice because of all the water it has in it. But this juice right here with the twist is just as good as the normal ABC juice. If you want to do the traditional ABC juice, you can go and check out my other video on the channel. I have a playlist called Juicing Recipes. Go ahead and check that out. While you're here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This juicing content has really been blowing my page up. I've gotten well over 200 subscribers just from juicing content. So I just want to say a huge thanks to you guys, man. This stuff right here is really blowing up for me. Make sure to also engage with the videos, leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below if you like the recipe or what juicing videos you want to see me do. And like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I currently have 391 subscribers, so I'm close to 400. Go ahead and make that happen for me. We'll get into it. It's a real simple and short video. I don't like to make these videos too long because it's the same stuff all the time. It's cutting up the fruit, it's washing the fruit, but I just want to give you guys a little context of the juices that I do make, so that's why I kind of keep it short and sweet. So I have been getting a few questions about what juicer I use in my video. This is the Nama J2 juicer, and to be fully transparent, this juicer did cost about $600. And I know that price isn't ideal for a lot of people, but they do offer afterpay, I believe. So you can split those payments up in like 3 or 6 months, which to me wasn't bad. That's what I ended up doing. But ultimately, I got this juicer because I seen videos on it from other creators, and it seemed super easy, and that's something I really wanted out of a juicer. I didn't want to deal with a bunch of pieces. It's real simple. You have the main pieces right here. You got the base, and then you have like a pretty big hopper. So you could even cut things into like solid pieces. You don't have to break them all the way down. Now sometimes I do like to break them down and fit them through this hole as the juicer is going, but that's just my preference. And I'll just quickly disassemble it so you guys can see, but it's pretty much like the snap-on part. You got that right here, which, like I said, you feed everything into. And then you have the bottom part. I don't really know technical names of these really, but you got the blade right here, that's simple. And then you have this piece. You put it in like this. Boom, that's easy. And then the main part right here at the bottom where, the juice comes out, and then the excess stuff like the pulp and all that. Real easy, pop this in right here, boom. You see that's in? And then boom, just like that, the blade or whatever, put that in, give it a quick twist, hear the lock. And then the top part is super easy. You just twist that, lock in.